Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to apply for Indeed jobs on mobile. First, you need to open the Indeed mobile app. Here, go to the job title. Search for your desired job. You'll find different job offers related to your search. Tap on any of it to know the details. On scrolling down, you'll have the complete details about that job. Then tap on Apply Now. Then tap on Skip. Now swipe left to open Application. Here you need to give your complete information in order to apply for this job. Once you're all done, tap on the Submit Application. Once your application is submitted, the employer will respond within 10 days. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.